In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Canva website design. We'll start right inside Canva. In the search bar, type website. Then choose a layout that matches your goal, whether it's a business site, a portfolio, an event page, or something else. Think of the template as a flexible starting point. You can swap out anything you see, so pick one that feels close to your vision and will make it your own. Begin customizing by clicking directly on any element. Rewrite headlines and body text and choose fonts that suit your brand. 2 or 3 complementary fonts usually keep things clean and readable. Update colors to match your palette using the color picker. Replace images by uploading your own or selecting from Canva's library. With the drag and drop editor, move sections around until the flow makes sense. Use the alignment guides to keep spacing even and maintain a clear visual hierarchy, so visitors know where to look first. Next, expand your site with sections and pages. Click the plus icon or scroll to the bottom to add a new section and use multiple pages to structure your content logically. Think a focused home page, a dedicated about or services page, and a simple contact area. Rename pages so they're easy to recognize and keep consistent headers and footers to tie everything together visually. Bring your site to life with media and links. In the Apps tab, embed a YouTube video by pasting its link, then resize it so it fits neatly within your layout. Add links to buttons and text to guide visitors. This could be to another page on your site or to an external resource. In the Elements tab, add shapes, lines, graphics, and icons. Keep things purposeful. A few well-chosen visuals can highlight key points without cluttering the page. Before you publish, check how everything looks on different devices. Click Preview and toggle through desktop and mobile views. Make sure Resize on mobile is enabled so elements adjust automatically. If text feels tight on a phone, increase line spacing, simplify crowded sections, and ensure buttons are large enough to tap comfortably. When you are ready, click Publish Website. Choose a free Canva domain or use a custom domain if you have one. Finalize your URL and set up your navigation so your pages appear in the right order. Do one last pass to confirm your links work. Then publish and share your site. You can return to the editor anytime to update content and republish in seconds. Thanks for watching.